A lot of work goes into uploading a YouTube video. It's not just the video itself. There are these little details, such as picking the right thumbnail or adding captions. With Photics TV videos, emoji are often added to the captions. It's that extra bit of work which could help a video to become more popular. Here's an example of that with the most viewed Photics TV video. It's about the Pac-Man board game. And if you search on Google for Pac-Man Board Game, the Photics TV video is well presented. It has a nice video loop thumbnail, and the chapters are listed. So, how does a YouTube creator add chapters to a video? First, advanced features needs to be enabled on the YouTube account. The feature isn't specifically mentioned here, in the channel section of the settings pop-up. But if you visit the linked page, Add Chapters is the last row of the Advanced section. And if you click that Add Chapters link, that goes to the support page for video chapters. Normally, it's pretty straightforward. You just type them in order in the description. Here you can see the chapters listed in the description of the Pac-Man video. That's how the chapters were created. Now you can see the breakpoints in the timeline of the video. This is nice if you want to skip to a specific point in the video, or if you want to return to the part of the video where you left off. The thumbnail images for each chapter are automatically generated by YouTube. That takes a little while though, after the chapters were added. What's nice is how this enables the chapters widget in the sidebar. It's a pretty way to summarize the video. Ultimately, this feature helped with search engine optimization, as that's how the video was presented so nicely on Google. However, if this feature is working so well, and if the feature is so nice, where's the problem? Well, for normal-sized videos, it's usually fine. But, as mentioned in the 8,000 subscribers video, really long videos can create advanced problems. That's the new Super Mario Bros. Wii All Star Coins video. The 3-hour video has a lot of problems. As two examples, I can't edit the subtitles with the YouTube subtitles editor because it's too laggy. And I was hitting the 5,000 character limit in the description. A lot of work was put into that description to ensure that every coin had a chapter. That way, if you were having trouble with a specific part of the game, you could jump right to that part in the video. The idea was that the chapters would help with navigation and SEO. However, the chapters simply weren't working. I thought maybe a special character in the text was causing the problem. I did add emoji to the chapters, but YouTube will just filter those out. Emoji weren't breaking the chapters. So what exactly was preventing the chapters from appearing on the video? It should have been obvious. It was too many chapters. With 260 chapters, it was well over the limit. That limit is 100. Once I reduced the number of chapters to 98, the Super Mario video had chapters. This meant removing the precision of the markers for each coin, but at least each of the 77 levels was covered. I didn't see that problem mentioned in the support document, so that's why this video was created. Was it helpful? You can let everyone know in the comments. Thanks for watching.